Gentlemen, let me ask you an honest question. Do you really believe that at your age women are only interested in men who have large bank accounts, expensive cars, or a full head of dark hair? If that is what you think, let me stop you right there. That belief is simply false. It is a myth society has been feeding men for generations. The reality is that there is something much more powerful than money or physical appearance. Most men over 60 already have it, yet very few understand how to use it. Once you learn to unlock it, women, even younger women, naturally begin to feel attracted to you. And no, it does not require cosmetic procedures, luxury vehicles, or miracle supplements. In fact, it only takes 12 minutes a day. Stay with me because I'm about to share a simple practice that can completely change the way women perceive you. While other men your age are busy competing in battles they cannot win, you will discover how to create genuine attraction without trying to impress anyone. Before we continue, do me a quick favor. If you are ready to rebuild your confidence and attract women without gimmicks or tricks, hit the like button and leave a comment telling me where you are watching from. I always enjoy seeing viewers from all over the world. And make sure to subscribe because every week I share science-based insights on attraction, vitality, and maintaining confidence and energy after 60, topics most doctors never talk about. Now let us clear up a common misconception. Society often tells men that once they reach 60, they become invisible to women unless they own a Ferrari, a yacht, or happen to be a retired movie star. But that idea is completely wrong. I have worked with men in their 60s and 70s who consistently attract women 20 or even 30 years younger. Not because they are wealthy or have undergone cosmetic procedures, but because they understand psychological attraction. You see, women are not lacking attention from young, attractive men. What many of them genuinely crave is maturity. They are often tired of men who are insecure, needy, or constantly trying to prove themselves. Ironically, the advantage is already yours. You simply have never been taught how to use it. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn Carter. For the last 5 years, I have specialized in men's health and relationships, helping men reclaim their vitality and rediscover confidence in the dating world. And here is the bold truth. Men over 60 have a powerful and often overlooked advantage when it comes to attraction, one that younger men simply cannot compete with. Why? Because many younger men are still trying to establish themselves. They are still chasing validation and approval. But you have already lived, learned, built, and endured. That experience is your strength. It is the difference between a restless young man and a grounded, wise one. So what is the secret that changes everything? It is something called outcome independence. When you master it, your energy shifts in a way that women find deeply attractive. Let us first examine the 3 biggest mistakes many men over 60 make and the habits that can replace them. The first mistake is chasing instead of attracting. Many men still act as though they are back in high school, trying to impress women, prove their desirability, or even use money to gain attention. Unfortunately, this strategy often backfires. Women can sense desperation the same way sharks detect blood in the water. Emotionally, it comes across as needy, and it immediately weakens your presence. Practically speaking, it drains your time, energy, and money. The solution is to develop outcome independence. Rather than chasing attention, learn to project a calm satisfaction with your life. When you radiate genuine contentment, a subtle yet powerful shift takes place. Women begin to feel naturally drawn toward you. The second mistake is connecting your self-worth to a woman's approval. The moment a man starts asking himself, "Am I still attractive? Do I still have it?" he unintentionally gives away his power. Biologically, the need for validation increases stress hormones, making you appear tense rather than relaxed. Emotionally, it destroys your natural magnetism because you are performing instead of being authentic. The healthier approach is to separate your self-worth from someone else's reaction. Appreciate your life experience, your independence, and the wisdom you have earned. When a man carries that kind of inner confidence, women notice it immediately. They see a man who does not need them, but genuinely chooses them, and that is incredibly attractive. The third mistake is competing where you cannot win. Many men in their 60s try to compete with younger men by chasing youth, coloring their hair, buying flashy accessories, or attempting to recreate the lifestyle of a 35-year-old. But the truth is, you are not 35 anymore, and that is actually an advantage. Women are not.